Gates open, they're up and racing. Kay Maki draws for your lead. No peso, no dance by the rail. In between runners comes Lucky Lorky. Haywire running in between runners, catching the second spot, then followed by Tail to Tail, running second last on the outside, worth the wait, and trailing the group by the rail is Yay Alscaday. As they rounded a 3/4 mile pole, now we have Hayward takes the lead by about 4 lengths, running in second, No Peso, No Dance, followed by Kay Maki on the outside. Then comes Lucky Lorky, Tail to Tail, third last. Then comes Worth the Wait and Yay Alscaday, now running second last as they pass the 900 meters post. Haywire in command by about 3 lengths. No Peso, No Dance remains in second, down in third Kay Maki, Lucky Lorky. Tail to Tail now moving up on the outside, Yay Alscaday, and Worth the Wait now running at the tail of the field, rounding at the last 600. Haywire still leading the field, getting closer in second. No Peso, No Dance, Kay Maki, Lucky Lorky. Tail to Tail is on the outside as they turn for home. No Peso, No Dance, now the leader. Haywire moving up by the Lucky Lorky, Kay Maki, and Tail to Tail. And down the stretch they come. No Peso, No Dance by about 2 lengths, followed by Lucky Lorky, Kay Maki, Haywire, Tail to Tail. And leading the finish line, it's all No Peso, No Dance. Lucky Lorky, Kay Maki, Haywire, Tail to Tail for your pentafecta. Then comes Worth the Wait and Yay Alscaday.
Official order of arrival po natin.